On August 15, 1947, India had achieved independence after years of struggle. On this day, it ceased to be a colonial nation and secured full autonomy from the British that ruled over it for years. The day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen living in India and abroad. On August 15, 2020, India would have achieved 73 years of freedom. As such, this year marks the 74th Independence Day of the country. While it is a celebratory annual occasion and a national holiday, wherein people hoist the national flag, wear colors signifying the tricolor, take part in many games and cultural programs, it also coincides with the partition of the country that brings back painful memories, given that India was severed on communal grounds, much to the dismay of many national leaders and ordinary citizens. On 15 August 1947, when the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag at the Lahori Gate of Red Fort in New Delhi, the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, fasted in Calcutta. He is believed to have spent his time praying, fasting, spinning, and silently protesting the sectarian hatred that had taken over the country. 73 years since then, the day has come to be recognized as that of national pride and honor, with subsequent prime ministers hoisting the flag and addressing the country from the Red Fort every year. Independence Day is one of the three national holidays, the other two being Republic Day and Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. A day prior to Independence Day, the President of the country delivers a televised address to the nation. As mentioned earlier, the day is usually dotted with cultural programs, competitions, flag hoisting ceremonies, and parades. This year, because of the pandemic, many restrictions are already in place. It is therefore advised that you observe the day and revel in patriotism from the safety of your house. Maintain all social distancing and safety guidelines and keep yourself and your community safe. That would be the true spirit of Independence Day 2020.